All right, the Lost RVers on road trip number 40 in our travel trailer 21 FB Mesa Ridge. We're going on a shorty, 3 days up into the hills to a lake, Collins Lake again. This will be number 6. And we are off. All right, this is the infamous RV road trip number 40, heading into the Sierras. And on this trip, after 39 RV road trips, we are taking a dog. Collins Lake. Oh man, it's still pretty. It's still pretty low.
Is it? They said 19 feet.
They said it was 19 feet low. It was 60 feet low, and now it's raised up to 19 feet low, so we'll see. We're going to a place called Open Camp. That's where you just camp on the side wherever you can fit in. First come, first serve. But first, we have to go in and register and get some green and yellow
bait.
Power bait. Well, there's little Teddy right there. All right, first drawback, you can't go in with a dog. So I'll stay out here. Well, there we are. Another mistake we made is this weekend is Cast for Kids. It's a child's fishing tournament, meaning it's just going to be mayhem. Never go on the weekends, folks. We did it just to get away. This is Saturday. We knew nothing about this tournament, but hey, we'll make do. Here it is. God bless America. So this is what they call open camp. And it means wherever you can fit in, you fit in. Okay, we are just boonie hopping it now. I mean, this is just incredibly ridiculous.
How far you want to go?
I want to get down close, baby. Oh yeah. This is a smart move. We're about right about. Here. Huh? We'll check it out. We'll be right back. All right, well, we don't have any levelers. We're gonna use the old marble trip. Put something around on the stove and see which way it rolls. Oh, how pretty, huh? There's the lake right there. And there's the front door. Well, this is going to have to do. Well, there we be. We got the Honda going. Never seen it this packed. Never been here on a weekend before either. But believe it or not, if you look over there, that's not too bad for the level of the lake. It used to be 60 feet lower, so a lot of kids fishing here today, so we'll just wait until they all go home. All right, you're with the Lost RVers. And it's sort of level. There they go. Well, it's about 12:30 on a Saturday. Very nice day. It was some kind of bring your kid to the lake and fish day. It is packed in. They'll all be gone by tonight, but still. Here I am. Seltzer, tackle box, a couple of fishing poles, and just hang out, right? The dam faces over there. Trailer's right behind me. We'll see you in a bit. Update. Nothing. There I am. All by myself, I wanna be all by myself anymore. There she is, the F-150 and the Mesa Ridge 21 FB walk around bed. About 6 o'clock, again, someone caught one to the right of me. And saw one caught off a boat. A lot of kids here today. These guys are just camping in tents right there, right on the side. We'll have a fire going. Tonight it's a New York strips, I believe. The Lost RVers, RV road trip number 40, back to Collins Lake. Now those are some cool kayaks. Look how he's pedaling. It's not even pedaling, just back and forth, he's trolling. Oh well, hope he catches one. The big campfire. Try to get those burning. With those little logs. Presto logs, kind of. Wax on the outside. The pretty purple flowers. Such a sight. Yes, once again, the Lost RVers cooking show. Tonight's cook will be my wife, Mrs. Lost RVer. So stay tuned and watch this. Well, it has begun. Look at the size. Those are Flintstone steaks, baby.
These are big ones. Biggins.
Biggins. So we're going to have a couple steaks. And then we always eat this stuff. These are these little bags. This is rice and pasta with broccoli.
Nor.
And then we're going to have a Caesar salad on top of that. Tomorrow night, I'm going to attempt another Cioppino in the Instapot. Now this is going to be a true Cioppino, a tomato paste Cioppino. But tonight, it's steak, baby, steak. Well, that was about 30 seconds of excitement. Oh, there's little Teddy. Just looking up. These things have bones in them, so he is definitely going to get one of those. Ah, good crust. It's steaming. It's getting there. We're going to interrupt this cooking show as she takes the steaks off and just watch these guys fly by. It's getting dusk. They're still going out for trout. I haven't caught any, but that's par for the course. All right, so it's been plated, and there she is. We're going to call this the Collins Lake Flintstone steak. I like that. Collins Lake Flintstone steak with the Lost RVers. RV road trip number 40. Now we eat. Well, we fast forwarded to Sunday right around 5 o'clock. Very quiet. Still no fish. But it is a peaceful, pretty day for an RV road trip number 40. Back to Collins Lake. Guy right over there, well, he's not there now, but he caught one. Me, not a nibble. Woe is me. Beautiful here though. One more night. Tomorrow, next day, and that's it. See you guys. Let's do a quick little update on this Honda 22i inverter generator. We've had it for about 3 years. I use that big old chain. You know, if someone has a pair of bolt cutters, they're going to take it, but this keeps the honest people honest. And it works like a charm. First time, every time, pull it, it starts. Good little generator, must admit. That's behind us. We're in the rocks. Probably open camping. Wherever you can find, you pull in and just park it. As you can see, we parked it right here. Well, the sun is setting here. And it's getting about 7 o'clock. Pulled up my fishing gear. Thus concludes the second time RV road trip number 40 for the fishing episode part of it. They're still out there trying. But I say we go inside and make that Cioppino. How about you? Let's go. Alright, this is the Cioppino and the RV show. About 3 weeks ago, I made a Cioppino at home. Bought a ton of clams, mussels, scallops, shrimp, the crab, which isn't shown here. And then on here I have a piece of swordfish. Well, I believe this is cod.
Oh, scallops?
Cod. So I just took a little bit of each one of them, put them in this container and froze them so we could do a RV Cioppino, which we're doing tonight. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out the old Instapot, the junior size, and put it on saute. Put this stuff all back in here. This will all just dump in. We'll saute some garlic, some shallots, a little bit of yellow onion, and some extra virgin olive oil. And once that's kind of translucent, I'll add this Renaissance Cabernet Sauvignon White 2012. Should be good. Then, just to cheat, because this isn't going to be a white wine, this is going to be a regular, I got a starter. This is Cioppino sauce. You buy it by the seafood aisle. And I'll dump that in, let it reduce about by half, and then start throwing in the fish. So we're going to go on hyperspeed, and you will see the RV Cioppino being made. Okay, you saw that. So I couldn't find any crab. Went to Safeway, they had no crab, so I had some crab, imitation crab, which will give it the flavor. Really nice size scallops. And frozen shrimp. Taking off the tails. And that's going to be it. So once this starts boiling and reducing down to about half, a little bit more, less than half, I'll just start adding the fish. I'll start with the swordfish, put in the crabs and the oysters or the mussels, and towards the end I'll throw in the scallops and the shrimp and just let it. And at the very end, throw in this stuff. I hate to use it, but you gotta have something in there that tastes like crab. And then let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and voila! Cioppino RV style. So we'll be right back. Oh, it's a bubbling cauldron. I'm getting there. We are getting there. Alright, it's reduced by about a third. And I have 2 of these fillets, but we're only going to eat one. Cut this one in half and plop, plop. At the same time, I'm going to throw in my clams. Just give them a minute. It's very expensive, highly sought after imitation crab. My wife's laughing. Oh well, you use what you can use, right?
Wait, get a knife.
I can't even get this package open. I tell you, RV road trip number 40. Yeah, it's a nice place to be. I didn't catch a fish. Let's see. Not bad. It tastes like crab, but no big deal.
Let me try a little bit.
So, I'll go ahead and throw in the mussels. I'll go ahead and throw in the scallops. And a whole fistful of shrimp.
More than a fistful. Take off the tails?
Yeah, I took off the tails. And give this a little stir. And just let that rest. Bring it back to a boil. Can't forget this real expensive stuff.
Wait,
I'm not going to put it all in. Just enough to flavor it. Well, a major mistake. Shouldn't affect it. Probably tastes better, but I had 2 bottles of wine in there. This one I bought just for the Cioppino. This is a 2020 Sauvignon Blanc white. And when I reached up there, I was filming for you, the YouTube video watcher, and I grabbed this bottle of a Cabernet Sauvignon 2012. It was a very costly mistake. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to start dishing this out. And I'm going to put it on hyperdrive, hyperspeed, just to speed it along. There you go. The RV road trip number 40. The Collins Lake Cioppino. We'll see you next time on The Lost RVer. After the Cioppino. As the sun goes down. Too bad there wasn't any trout in that Cioppino. Well, that's pretty cool. Light show going on behind his boat. What? Never seen that before. Well, there you have it. Monday morning, Collins Lake, RV road trip number 40 with the Lost RVers. First time with the dog. Not a big fan. Love the dog, but boy, it changes the whole dynamics of the trip. So, we'll bid you guys adieu. A parting shot of a beautiful lake in the Sierra Mountains. RV road trip number 41 will be, I believe, out towards Reno. And then onward. It's been a blast. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time on the road with the Lost RVers.